For today, we're going to be sitting in a chair. You want to have enough height where you can lift your leg and have it dangle when we do the hip swivels. If your chair's not tall enough, you could stuff a pillow underneath your leg. And we're going to work side to side, internal, external rotation of the hip. Very good. And we're going to switch sides. Same thing. You're focused on the ball of the hip, that femur bone, just moving side to side, loosening up the hips. Very good. Everything should be smooth and controlled. Very good. Both feet down. Back to the other side. We're going to do some leg raises. This we're focusing on the hip flexor. You also get a little bonus, a little bit of core in this movement, but mainly to strengthen the hip flexor and work on hip flexion. Squeeze at the top to get that extra bit of range. Very good. Up and pull. Up and pull. We're going to switch sides. Using your hip flexor, a little bit of core to get that leg up as high as you can. First couple of reps, no assistance. Up. And now we're going to add in the squeeze at the top. There you go. Up and pull for that little bit of extra range. Up and pull. Up and pull. Very good. Both feet down. We're going to move on to hip openers. We're going to go up and over. And we're focusing on getting a big opening of the hip. Almost like a rainbow movement. You want to create like a rainbow curvature as you're lifting your leg up and over. Very good. And up and over. And up and over. Very good. We're going to switch sides. Up and over. And up and over. Very good. We're going to focus on opening the hips. Nice controlled movements. Very nice. Now some of you guys, your hip flexor might be getting a little tired at this point. It's perfectly fine. We're working on strengthening that area. Very good. Back to center. And we're going to pull this leg behind us. And we're going to lean back. And we're going to do repetitions stretching the hip flexor. We got modifier at the top. If you can't pull your leg all the way up, it's perfectly fine. Modify at the top. We're focusing on leaning back, getting a stretch of the hip flexor, and pulling back in. Switch sides. Okay, we're gonna lean back and sit upright. Lean back and sit up. Modifying at the top, guys. If you can't get your leg all the way back, just put it behind the chair as best you can. You're trying to get a stretch of the hip flexor and using your strength to pull yourself back up. Very good. One more rep and all the way up. Feet down in front. For this one, we're gonna hold ourselves up. Make sure your hands are underneath your shoulders. And we're gonna begin with the knee climber. Knee up as high as you can. And we're doing repetitions. Nice and controlled. Squeeze the belly button in. This does bonus work your core as well, but it's mostly we're focusing on hips today, guys. Switch sides, drive up and down. You want to try to keep a tempo. Try to keep up with my speed. We're not going too fast, but we're not going too slow. Very good. Stretch the calves, heels down. Press up, heels down. Press up, heels down. Pressing up, heels down. Press up, heels down. Press up and down. And then back to the climbers. Driving that leg up and down, nice and steady. Keep a tempo. And switch sides, up and down. Drive that knee to chest as best you can. Doing great, guys. Keep it up. Both feet down. Stretch the calf and press. Stretch the calf and press. Down and up. Down, up, down. And walk it in. Very good, guys. Drop down. Shake it out. Good job today.